What's going on, guys? Today we are gonna talk about arrays in C programming language. I have arrays.c file and I have basic definition. Let's start. In C programming language, an array is collection of variables of the same data type. I will give an example and you will understand better. So let's keep reading. Arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable, okay? Then this allows us to manage large data sets efficiently. So we are going to start and we are going to see one-dimensional arrays, two-dimensional arrays, also multi-dimensional arrays, but I want to show this because it is not used in practice so much. For a beginner, I don't think it would be a great idea to see, and we are just gonna see this. Okay, so we can start. Include std. Okay, let me show you how to define an array. Our array will store integers, so integer, and you can give any name. I'm gonna call numbers. Then we need this. Now random variables. Okay, this is how we can define array of numbers. Okay, so if you want, you can define the size as well. For example, 1 2 4. If I say 5, it means my array is going to include 5 elements, but I defined 4 of them. The fifth one is not defined, so let's try to reach fifth one. What it would be to reach the element. Let me show you how to reach the elements inside the array. Since these are the integers, we are using %d, then array, no, numbers, this is the name, then the element we want to reach. For example, let's reach this first element. Arrays are starting from the 0. Okay, so 0 1 2 3. This is the 0 first element. We need to type 0. Okay, let me program 21. Okay, let's see the second one, which is 44. It must be 0 1 2. Okay, the third one 66. What about the fifth one? It must be, any guess? We didn't define. Fourth one 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it is 0. If you didn't define, it is defining as 0. Okay, it is default value is 0. I wonder the okay, sixth one, it is not defined. Also, it is out of range. I wonder. Okay, let's see. 8. 8. No, it is not 8. It is given random values. For example, it's not 0. Okay, the C programming language can give value, but they are random and it is not suggested to. You shouldn't use out of range values. Okay, just if it said 8, okay, you can use only 8. It doesn't mean it's correct if it is given values. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, this is one dimensional array. Then two-dimensional arrays. Before going further for two-dimensional arrays, I want to show you how can we uh, see all the values in the console. If I would like to see all the values. Okay, let me show that. We need, this has 4 elements. We need for loop. Okay, 0 count 0 4. Since we have 4 elements, 0 1 2 3, 4 is not smaller than the 4, so 0 1 2 3. Okay, instead of hard coding the values, we can just say I, which is 0 1 2 3. So it's gonna show all the values here, but we need uh, this space. if if you don't put this space, okay, let me show what it would be. Yeah, okay, this is how you can reach all the elements with loop. Okay, what if we add, okay, let's say this, I wonder what would happen. 14, I want to take all the 14 elements, but it doesn't have 14 elements. Yeah, as you can, they are quite random. 008. Yeah. What if we say, okay, this is for, what if I added new value here? My loop won't show that, right? Yeah. For that we need the size of the array. We can have the size as an integer, so we can use it instead of hard coding for. It is better practice. Okay, let's say size. You can use size of property, size of numbers, and you need to divide size of, again, size of numbers, the any element. It can be, you can divide it to first element, second element, but let's divide it to first element. Okay, this is how you can get the size of the array, so you can use it here. Let's see the size. Again, this is integer, so %d we are using. Then size, let's see. Yeah, what is the size of this array? 2 3 4 5. Okay, I expect to see 5 on the console. Okay, I'm running now. 5. So instead of using, okay, let me comment this and uncomment this one. Okay, instead of using 4 hard coding, now we can use the size. Okay, then we can add as many elements as we want. Okay, now Jesus, can you see why it doesn't like 30 32? Well, interesting. Hmm. You know why it doesn't like? Because the size. Okay, I'm not hard coding the size. Okay, again. Okay, I'm gonna run. Now, as you can see, you can add as many elements as you want. Also, be careful you haven't hard coded the size. Let me run again. Okay, now we are safe. Before moving on to dimensional arrays, I also would like to show you how to assign new value to any element. Okay, let's say I would like to change this 21 to 444. Okay, for 444. How can we do that? It's quite easy actually. Numbers, the name of the array, then the index number which you would like to change, then new value. So okay, don't forget your semicolon. Okay, let's see again. uh, Instead of 21, I expect to see 444, then 22. Let me run. Yeah, this is how you can change the values. Okay, now let's move on to two-dimensional arrays. Let me write here 2D arrays. Okay, again integer. This doesn't have to be integer. Okay, you can define chars and float. Maybe for another video we can do that, but this is the idea. You can also define other data types. Okay, let's say 2D. It looks quite ugly. 2D array. This is the name of my array. Also, if you are defining two-dimensional array, you need 2 times this. Okay, then I'm gonna define also the size of each one. You can think of this is the row number, this is the column number. Let me show you what do I mean. Let me explain with an example better. Let's see, 1 2 3, then comma. Okay, 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, no comma here. Okay, it looks better. Okay, you can think of this is a matrix, okay, and 3 by 3 matrix, okay, you can think of as matrix 3 by 3, and this matrix has 3 rows and 3 columns. First row, second row, and third row, and this is the first column, second column, and third column. Okay, if we would like to reach, let's say, this element, how can we do that? It is not so hard, it's also logical. Let's see. These are still integers, so percent %d we are gonna use, then the name of the array to the array. Okay, this expects the number of row. This 4 is in the second row, right? But since this starts from 0, again it is starting from the 0, 0, 1. The row 1 and row 2. Okay, if I am not mistaken, I expect to see 4 now. Oh, the code formatter formatted it for me. I spent a lot of time. Okay, I'm gonna run. Okay, I 1, 2, to the array. We are printing still this. Okay, let me comment. Okay, now only thing we will see is this. Yeah, 5. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Again, this is the first row, and this is the first also. 0, 1. What I did here? Typo, kind of typo. What I did, it was 2, right? So it is first row 0, 1, first row, and second column 0, 1, 2. So it was showing 5. If you would like to see the middle element, 1, 1. Okay, now this video is being quite long, and I think that's enough for the simple introduction for the arrays. We might have more videos, so thanks for watching. Have a good day.